European Union and British Council have embarked on a door-to-door awareness campaign against the COVID-19 pandemic in rural communities of Adamawa State. Megaphones and other communication systems are to be used by the trained residents to reach out to the targeted audience. Owolabi Adenusi compiled this report.
Adamawa State now has 115 active cases of COVID-19, having earlier been declared free of the virus. The European Union is working with the British Council to curb the spread of the virus. It has embarked on public enlightenment and awareness education on the killer virus in the state. The program is anchored by a non-governmental organization, Global Peace Development, and aims to train rural dwellers on basic facts and checks against the dreaded coronavirus. The director of GPD, Eburike Onajite Isike, disclosed that the trainees who have been engaged for 6 months were drawn from Mobi North and South, Yola North and South, Demsa and Numa local governments. The requirements for them qualifying were a basic education and the ability to communicate with fellow locals. They will be trained for 2 days.
Now, for us, we are using an approach, we call it the door-to-door approach, using the megaphone, so that people don't get engaged directly in passing or informing the public on what to do. So with the megaphone, each household will be engaged for like 20-30 minutes. And we also think that because of the convenience, we need to create time for convenience for the facilitators. So we've developed a criteria. One of those criteria is you must be resident of that community. So even if you are from any other part, provided the committee know you and you have the capability, you can be elected, nominated to be part of it. And so every of the facilitators are nominated, and there are people who have the capability to write reports.
Managing conflict in northeast Nigeria, a wing of European Union, is worried that many Nigerians still see the battle against coronavirus as merely a political tool.
A lot of people, especially in our rural communities, don't believe COVID-19 exists. Some of them think it is political, it is brought by the mighty, the so-called elites, and what have you. So the program decided to engage Global Peace Development to carry out door-to-door sensitization activities in our communities.
Residents expressed satisfaction with the awareness campaign.
The organizers have done well by involving us now. People who are really in the grassroots. That's all of us now. We know how to talk to our people.
Medical personnel are among victims of COVID-19 in the state, but the state government is doing all in its reach to stop its spread.